How to withdraw your money from the WeBull app. They made this app super hard to use, super hard to find the withdraw button, probably because they don't want you to withdraw your money. So there's one thing you can do to make this much easier. Go to the menu in the bottom right corner, and then in the top right corner, turn on the light version. This is gonna allow you to switch to WeBull Lite. Basically an easier version to use of their app. They have two versions of their app on their app. Makes no sense, but it is what it is. The next thing you want to do is sell all of your stocks or positions, and those should be right here under My Positions. Once you do that, money will show up in your cash balance. If you've just sold, you're gonna have to wait a few days for this money to kind of clear and show up in your cash balance. And if you tap on this, you'll see settled cash and unsettled cash. So that's where you can find the detailed info. Now I want to tap on banking and transfers, and then I want to tap on withdraw. It'll show the amount that you're allowed to withdraw. I'm going to tap withdraw on the bottom. I'm going to do an ACH transfer to my banking account. I'm going to type in the amount 55.86 and tap submit. They're gonna give me a 2% boost on APY for 30 days. Just please stop. Continue to withdraw and confirm. Now I need to type in my password again. They really don't want you to get your money out of this thing. I've typed my password, just doesn't show on the recording interface. Tap next. Withdraw application submitted. This should complete within a few days. Tap done. There we go. Very weird interface all around. But there's how to withdraw your money from WeBull. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.